Come on, get in there. Oh my god. Just rip it open.
Okay, here you go.
Yeah. Have they been turned? Oh, they haven't been turned. When you get a fresh oyster, you're meant to turn it.
Really?
Mm.
I did not know this.
Cheers!
Cheers.
G'day, Wallaby Dick! Welcome to another adventure. It is a very beautiful day down here on the east coast of Tassie. A bit of an adventure day today. I think more adventuring than fishing with our special guest, Georgie.
New captain.
The new captain. I'm going to show you guys as well how I set up my anchorage when I'm pulling into an island to park up on a beach. I know a lot of you will be doing it over summer, so I thought it would be a good opportunity to show you how to do that, because when I first learned how to do it, I wasn't too sure what I was doing. So we're going to see if we can catch some lunch. We might head around to Wineglass Bay. The swell's not the best. The water clarity is horrible from all of the rain, but we're going to bring you along for the journey. So let's go. Here's lunch. Where is it? My GoPro's about to go flat. Please be a flatty. We are so hungry. All right, just go easy, easy, easy. All right, pull him towards me. There's a little baby flatty. God. All right, stop winding. Just let some slack out again with your thumb. There you go. Well done. First fish of the day. There's another one on the micro jig.
Hopefully this one's bigger.
Yeah, let's see if this one can not spike me. I don't know how I managed to do that, but this could be lunch. 32 centimeters we need. There you go.
Is that big enough?
It might be. Just a bit of slack again. Is 30 centimeters. Oh, still no lunch. So close. Oh dear, we are not on a good roll. Let's get this guy back in the water. You've hooked him well. You've hooked him twice. All right. See you, buddy. Want to give him a kiss?
No.
You don't want to give him a kiss? Alright. See you, bud. Another one on the jig. Good job, babe.
Thanks.
It's always just on that funny little weird jiggle that you do with your hand too. This is only a little 30 gram micro jig. Alright, now slow down, slow down.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, I think he's still too small.
Yeah. See ya.
See you, buddy. He was a bit stunned there for a second. Number 4?
Yeah.
4th time lucky. But this one looks like it might be size. Where is he? Come on. Look at the color of the water too. I can't believe it. Ooh. 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 All right, walk back.
That's bigger.
That one's 32 for sure. 32, 33. Come on, hold it.
Yes.
Okay, this one is...
Oh, it's too small.
It's like...
It's fatter though.
He's fatter.
We're getting close.
Oh, he's 32, but he's not that.
So
there's not that
why
much
does it
meat.
have to be 32?
Because that is the legal size.
Oh, okay.
So I think we'll put this guy back.
Yeah.
So then somebody else can have as much fun as we've just had catching him. But he might be a bit bigger next time. We'll put him back. That's a big fish. What is this?
I don't know.
What have you caught? Keep winding. Whatever you do, don't let go of the rod. Oh, oh, that's a big flatty. That's huge. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Stop winding, stop winding. I gotta get the net. Look out. Just watch here, babe. Watch here. It's huge. It's huge. That's lunch. You did it. We caught lunch. He is massive. That is a nice size flatty. 37 centimeters.
Did it.
That is lunch for us. We're sorted. Do we want to catch one more?
Yep.
All right. Is it my turn now?
Yes.
Oh, it's huge. Oh,
You're so dramatic.
oh, oh. What have we got? please be size. Do you think he's size? No.
No.
That little micro jig goes off. Little 30-gram jig, pink, as I feel goes the best for flathead. Little pink jig. Yeah, he's not size. Let's get the D-hooker onto him.
Thanks for visiting.
Thanks for saying g'day, mate. If you settle down, I'll let you go. But at the moment, it doesn't look like you're going anywhere. Don't forget to like and subscribe! Don't know if you can see that very well, but a waterfall is just gushing. So cool. We have made it to Wineglass Bay. Woohoo! Oh, I just love the color of the water here. So cool. Look at that. Not so much wildlife on the way. Got a couple of jet skis coming in to join us. But I think we're going to cook up some lunch in a minute. Cook that flathead that we caught. Hey! And I might show you guys as well how I beach myself in locations like this as well. Woo. Have you guys ever visited this region? Let me know in the comments down below. What aspect do you think looks the best? And what's your favorite beach at Freixenet National Park, which is where we are? Okay guys, I'm going to show you how I park up on a beach situation like this. I know it's probably pretty obvious to a lot of you, but with the 2 anchors, it's pretty easy. I'm going to explain what I'm going to do. I'm going to drop anchor and then reverse up onto the beach and then run out with my second anchor that I have tethered to back and bury that in the sand. It's going to be as smooth as anything. Georgie?
We'll see.
Alright. Trim up. Alright, reversing up. Alright. Now I run out with this. Nice and squeaky. I just need to trim that motor up a little bit. Do you mind trimming the motor up, please? No. You don't want it with too much slack. So it'll come back, snap the rope off. But it's annoying because when you let it out more, then the deeper it gets to get out here. But you've got your transducers down here, so you don't want them to be rubbing on the ground. So what I do is I get it out about to this depth and then just tighten it up with the winch a little bit so it stays out here. It doesn't run back too far. Fresh flatty. Thanks to someone. We're gonna get into lunch and then we'll do a little bit of tuna trolling, I think, on the way home. Tide's on the way out, so keeping an eye on the boat, and we'll speak to you when we finish with this beautiful picnic. So much fresh water pouring out of here. Yeah, it's cool, huh? I cannot get over the colour of the water here. It's a shooting island. Normally this is just crystal clear blue. Absolutely nuts.
Thank you to everybody for supporting the Tascast giveaway. We have officially drawn the winners and they are available to view over at tascast.com.au. There's still plenty of merch available, so head over there, grab yourself a t-shirt, and we will see you on the next video. Woo!